Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you're all fine. Money plant, many people call it the lucky plant. The money plant is also known as Pothos and devil's ivy. In Feng Shui and Vastu Shastra, it is believed that the money plant attracts wealth and positive energy. There is one more interesting thing about this plant. It's nearly impossible to kill and it's perfect for beginners. And you can propagate it easily by cutting a stem below a node and placing it in water. But this money plant has some common problems. So today we will be talking about the problems and their solutions. Sometimes you notice that your money plant is having yellow leaves. Now what can be the cause of it? Either you might be overwatering or there will be poor drainage or even lack of nutrients. What is the solution of it? Water only when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil is dry. Ensure pot has drainage holes and add balanced liquid fertilizer once a month. Here, my mom used liquid compost tea and even rice water works fine. Next problem is brown leaf tips. Now the cause of it will be low humidity, underwatering, or even excess salts in water. Now the solution is that you may spray water on its foliage and place the plant in indirect sunlight. And if your water is hard water, try to use filtered water. Next problem is wilting or drooping of leaves. The cause of it might be either overwatering or underwatering. Now what is the solution? Check soil moisture. If soggy, reduce watering. If dry, water thoroughly. Place the plant in bright but indirect light. Sprinkle water on leaves 1 to 2 times in a day. The next problem is low growth or small leaves. Now the cause of it is low light or lack of nutrients. So for that, keep your plant in bright indirect sunlight again. You can either keep it in a balcony or window side, but make sure not to keep it in full light, like in a rooftop gardens. And oh, don't forget, fertilize monthly in growing season like spring to summer. In this time, you can give kitchen waste or tea leaf compost. Now fifth problem, yellow patches or spots on leaves. These spots might be because of pests like aphids, mealybugs or spider mites. You can spray neem oil or bioenzyme. But my mother prefers bioenzyme. Take 1 liter of water and add 5 to 10 ml of bioenzyme. Spray it in a plant and that's it. And wipe the leaves with a wet cloth. And remember to remove the pest-affected leaves in your plant and keep your plant clean. Next problem is a very common problem, root rot. Either you have overwatered the plant or there is poor drainage. First, check your drainage holes and only water when the topsoil is dry. And if your root rot is so severe that it starts damaging the plant, then repot it. If you maintain her plants like this, then it will be greeny, bushy and healthy. As you all know, Delhi has extreme climate. Whether it is very hot or very cold, our plant stays healthy. Money plant is hardy. If cared for with moderate watering, good light and occasional feeding, it thrives well indoors or in water. Even from one stem, you can grow a lot of money plants. Simply cut a stem and put it in water or soil. In our channel, we have more videos about this money plant. And if you have any queries, make sure to send it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.